Guys, take a really good look at it. Cheese melted right now. It's looking so beautiful. So guys, right now I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of beef bouillon to this. Just a half a teaspoon. Just gonna mix that right inside. Look at that, it's lovely. And this is how I want it, guys, nice and juicy. The tomatoes brings out a nice flavor, lots of juice inside the ground beef. That's what you're looking for. Gonna go on top of the casserole. So we're just gonna get this going. Potatoes, guys, they're done. I'm just gonna drain the water from this and we're gonna get into the skillet. So guys, right now I got some butter in the pot right there melting. Potatoes, they're drained. I'm just gonna add them right to this pot right here. And guys, this is just a pound of potato. So this pasta herb right here, guys, I'm just gonna add some of that, a teaspoon of that with a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Going right on top here. Just season your potatoes right inside there, guys. Should be fine. Sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley right on those. Give this a nice stir right in here. Got this on medium heat going, guys. Smells so good. We're gonna let these cook nicely, get some nice color on them. Halfway through, guys, I'm gonna add the rest of this onion and green peppers to it. I also have a teaspoon of garlic here, guys. Gonna go in as well. Another sprig of fresh thyme. Fresh herbs is the best, guys, to use. But if you don't have it, use what you have, right? Works. Whatever works for you guys. Beautiful. Just gonna go ahead and give this a nice stir, get in some nice color to those potatoes. Smells so good, guys. Wow. I'm just gonna add a pinch of olive oil to this. Give it a nice color. Alright, just gonna let that cook. So guys, right now those potatoes are done. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what's going on in that pot right here. Just gonna shake a little bit of paprika right over that. So good. Smells so good, guys. And my ground beef right here. Just gonna add that right inside the pot. I put it on low. The beef is so juicy. That's what you're looking for. You want to get every bit of it out. You hear that sizzling going on in the pot. Beautiful. Guys, right away you can just shut that off. Top it off with some mozzarella cheese or whatever cheese you got. You can also toss it in the oven if you like. Smells so good. Can't stop saying that, guys. Smells amazing. What you want to do, get your fresh parsley, put it on top. A little bit more of this dry herbs right here with some of the spices. Just gonna shake a little bit on top of this. Have some chili flakes in there as well. Beautiful. And you want to melt your cheese. So what you want to do, you want to get your pot cover and just have it right on top here. The stove is off. It's just that nice steam heat from the pot that's gonna melt the cheese right now. It's gonna be amazing. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes what I'm gonna serve that up. How I'm gonna serve it up, I should say. All right. So guys, I'm just serving this up. Some nice salad right here, using some Caesar dressing in this. Some beautiful green leaf lettuce I got right there, and some nice rustic garlic toast that I made right here, guys. I'm gonna go right inside. Look at that beautiful wall there, guys. I'm gonna dig right in and let you guys know how good this is. Get a piece of the potatoes with that.